Hi guys.
Hi guys.
What are we doing today?
We see a big spider.
We're spotting spiders in the swing. Well, we already went on the swing, but we are in the forest of spiders.
Wow!
Oh, let's find it. Come on. See any spiders? What? Oh my.
Get spider! Wow! Get that spider! Get that spider! Are you seeing spiders and webs?
Do you guys?
No.
You don't see one, Jeremiah? Let's keep looking. What did we just see?
A big spider.
A big spider.
It's like a king.
It's like a king?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Spider, your web is big.
What did you find there? Big stick. Ooh, acorns on the floor. Okay, so now we gotta be...
Oh my god. Wow!
Woo! Okay, I'll hit it.
Whoa.
Woo! Good dodge. Jeremiah, was it exciting to see all those spiders?
Yeah.
Oh my God, friends, did you guys like to see those spiders too? Ooh, what do you spot over there? A swing. What color is the swing? Green.
Wow.
Let's get on it. What did you just see?
The big spider.
Let's go see it.
Oh
Oh my.
Yeah.
That scared me.